I did Amazon, I did eBay, I did Shopify, I had brick and mortar businesses. Follow me right now as my main objective every day is to try to make money from the stock market. I'm on the road to 3 million. This episode, I'm not sure what it is, but it's just an intro. And right now you can see me break down videos on here on my YouTube. Look at the books, check everything out, and be in touch. Message me through here, Twitter. Get up with me. It's going to be a phone number and email, and we can talk about any subject, stocks, crypto, what we need to in business. Let's go. So yeah, this is what I mean about shorting. I mean, right here, and mind you, like Relly just tanks. I've made a lot of money on that stock. Like I've traded that stock many times, and it moves, but the catalyst and everything moving forward, it definitely wasn't what I was looking for, right? We got EPOW. I mean, this one could move, but it's probably going to get cracked as well. And it's early, but I didn't take any trades today because I'm just staying disciplined. I have a lot of other videos to edit. You know what I mean? So for today, I just really wanted to come on here and I guess show what I'm not doing, right? I'm not chasing these stocks and looking for momentum when there isn't any momentum. When nothing's working right, I can't chase, right? And that's something that I had to fully incorporate maybe like 2 years ago was, you can look to chase every day if you want, but if it's nothing out there, what are you really chasing, right? So that can become very problematic because then when there is something out there, you're hesitant. You're thinking, oh, well, this didn't work 2 days ago and the week prior, but in actuality, it wasn't a good setup to trade, right? So I've had to break those barriers many times too. You know what I mean? It doesn't just come up the first time and you're automatically, maximum whatever under composure, right? But I went out, got a walk in, got, whatever in, and just said, you know what, today's not the day. Which, come to find out 2 hours later, it's not the day. Nothing looks good, So now we got, oh, so I went back down from yesterday to MSS. Now, mind you, I'm looking at this on the phone right now. But oh man, when I tell you this got bad, this got bad. It got good, we go from $1 to $6, right? Wonderful, right? But at the same time, it got ugly, right? It got ugly. It didn't work. Unless you took it so early, which I'm sure some people did. But this catalyst I wouldn't say it gets weaker and weaker. I would say as over time goes, any catalyst, any sector can get weaker. That's common knowledge nowadays. But I could show you so many of these that have just gone straight up and crashed. I would say as a free game, right? This is why I'm even implying this, right? You can learn to play them off of that. You see what I'm saying? Not just playing it like, oh, it's at $1, it had crypto news, it's going to go up, let me buy it. No, you have to develop a strategy around that sector. Whereas though, in the beginning, more or less, when we're getting that news and we're getting, I don't know if this is playing over or not, so I'm trying to keep it towards the recording. I'm on 2 different devices. But what I'm basically saying is you can trade this a certain way. Maybe like 3 months ago I would. Now I'm more cautious a little bit. Even though you're getting news that's good, right? You have to be careful when it's not reacting the right way. I remember Tim Sykes, he said something a long time ago. He said if a stock gets good news and it reacts bad, be very careful. That was always something. Now, I'm talking about this video. If we went to look for it, it'd probably be long gone in his archive of videos, right? But he said that. He said if a stock gets good news and it does bad, be very careful. And I took that very literal because I would see that. I'd be like, why would this stock get this news or this crypto get this news? I've seen it many times. You've all seen it. And then it still tanks, right? Well, that's because either the news was priced in, they're already selling. Basically, long story short, you heard the saying, buy the story, sell the news. Basically, that's what happened. But why it's relevant is it can crash more opposed to maybe a stock that the fundamentals aren't good or whatever, the pattern just doesn't work, but it doesn't crash. It just dips down, whatever. It doesn't go your way per se. Some of these can crash. Like, because as you see, it went from 6 and then literally today it's at $1. You catch what I'm saying? So it loses 80% of its move like that. You see what I'm saying? Let me check it right now for the day. And if this video doesn't come out the best editing wise, you know, whatever, but I kind of have to bounce back and forth. We have SPRC moving again. I mean, this just had a choppy move before. I figured it could maybe do something today, but I don't like this stock in general. I've got smacked on this stock before. I'm trying to see. I'm looking at it now. Couple things moving. Like I said, nothing that now I'm going to pull the setup up. Even though we've seen stuff run with no news. Yesterday, something ran crazy with no news. Even though I think I could make money, let's just put it in plain and broad terms. Even though I think I can make money, I'm not going to chase the money right now. You know, and don't take that literal, like chase it as in buying a stock too high or not doing what I should do, but chasing it meaning like even mentally I'm already checked out. Yeah, I could tap in. I could, you know, get super serious and get focused and look for a setup, but I'm not dialed in. Usually when I go to put money on anything, I'm dialed in. I'm been there for an hour or whatever the case may be. I'm ready to go. Right now, I'm unprepared. You know what I'm saying? I'm unprepared just looking for movement in the market, which again, I can make money on one trade, on two trade. But over time, trading like that is not going to go good for you. It's just not. Like IBG, I see it moving a lot. I might even log into paper trade. Why not? See, when you gotta trick your mind, right? In this game sometimes. You gotta say, oh, let's say you're out, right? But let's say you decide not to trade, but you're out, you're itching. Let's say you got 100,000 at your disposal and you know you want money, right? That's not a good combination. I don't care who you are. Like, humans are greedy. Humans are impulsive at times. Like, you gotta be next level with this. So I say that to say, as dumb as it might sound, like, if you're itching that bad, you can paper trade. I'm talking to myself too. I've done it, you know? I remember being at the park so itching to trade one day, like, you can't not do it. So you paper trade. Get the itch off and you stop. You don't lose nothing. You don't really make nothing. But I'll end this video with that. Go eat something nice. Make some money another way and be ready for the market tomorrow morning.